Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got this Valentine's look, please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm here using my Maybelline Master Fix powder under my eyes. If you want to know how I got my eyebrows, I'll put the link in the description box. So here I'm just putting a primer for my eyes. Some of you guys might be wondering why the powder under my eyes. It's just because I'm gonna be using glitter and I don't want that to fall on my face. So I'm using the Dare to Create thanks to my boyfriend. That was my Christmas gift. I'm gonna use Canvas and Define Me to put it in my párpado móvil on my lid. So you really want to make sure you blend those colors very well. So you just blend, and more blend. So if you guys hear any noises in the back, I apologize. Just my family. So you're just gonna make sure you blend and keep blending. So I just keep on adding more and more because I wanted to really get that color where you could see my eyes a little more bigger, more popped, because my eyes are really hooded. So we're gonna be using that color, which is the scope outer for the outer corner. So you just place in the outer corner. Just make sure you really blend that really well. Don't really think about the fallouts that you're gonna have because remember you cleaned up with a foundation and concealer. So you just keep blending, you double tap, blend, double tap. I like to double tap, that's just me. So here we're gonna be using, I don't know why, I just picked a little more to put in the center. You don't really have to. I want you guys to let me know in the description box who else makes that face. So I'm using that brush for the color Create and Forever to Create. Oops, no. I'm using that color for Snatch. Snatch is the red one. So you really want to snatch on Valentine's days. So you just place it. You just want to make sure it's the right amount. You just keep placing it. Place a little more. Remember, you're gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Same really thing. So you just take a blending brush. I use my BH blending brushes. All my brushes are from BH. And of course, Ipsy has sent me a few other brushes. So here I'm just putting that NYX glitter primer to put a little more red on top. Because you really want that red to stick. Like I want it to be a red. So now, you just want to make sure you blend. You don't want no harsh lines, no harsh pigmentations on your eyes. Who knows what I was saying there? So on the outer corners, I'm putting Forever, Create and Forever to create and Forever to create more dimensions on my eyes. I really like when it's like dark and like glitter pop, if you get what I'm saying. I don't want to bore you talking and talking. So I'm doing the same thing for the other eye, the same exactly thing that I did. Of course, I think the other eye looks better just because I knew what I was doing already. I took a little more of the Define Me and Canvas, my outer corners. That brush is from BH from the Blended Sculpt number 2. You want to keep up putting red as long as you want. I even use my fingers. As long as you think it's okay for you. So here, I'm using my Stella and the color Kitten Karma. I put a little on top of the NYX glitter with that blending brush. So it could be like separate. It won't be so harsh. You could put as much as as little as you want. I love glitter. So, and no matter the day, the time, glitter. I just love glitter. I'm putting mascara. For that mascara, I'm using my Makeup Forever mascara. And then I'm just there taking the powder out of my eyes. I don't know the name of that brush. I got that brush on my BoxyCharm. So there I'm using my baby skin for my pores. And as a primer too. If you guys want to know my updated skin routine, just let me know in the comments. Of course, you gotta shake. I'm using my Fancy foundation in the color 240. I love that foundation. Like, I cheated on all my foundations for that foundation. I just love it. And I'm using my brush from BH, the Sculpt number 2. That one is a foundation brush. I just love the finish when I use that. I usually use my beauty blender too. Putting a little more. Remember that foundation does oxidize when you put it on your face. And sometimes it dries quick, so I just go putting it little by little by little. And you could build it up. That's what I love about it. See, I'm using my beauty blender for those hard parts. Remember, you want to look nice for your boyfriend, for your fiance, for your date, for your husband. You just want to look snatched, honey. You want to look poppin'. You want to slay on this Valentine's Day. So here I'm using my LA Pro Concealer and the color Porcelain. I think that's the name. Yes. So the same concealer I always use. That's just my favorite. So you want to make sure you blend. You just dab. And my beauty blender is wet. This time it's with water. Not dripping water. You're gonna put it into cold water, you know, take that excess of water. And no, I didn't use no eyeliners here. So here I'm using my BH Forever No Scope palette under my eyes and to contour. I look scared, right guys? So you keep I put it on my forehead, on my cheekbones, I put it on my jawline. I didn't do it on my nose. If you want to know how to contour my nose and you want that to be a video, please let me know on the comments. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway just to put that out there. So I just take a blending brush, I put a little more, and you just want to blend. You see how the harsh line looks? You don't want that to look like that. But you just want to blend. Keep blending. I use 3 brushes to blend, that's just me. So I just took another little brush. It works quicker for me. And then I use another brush for more banana powder to snatch that contour. So now I'm gonna be using the same colors that I use. I use Canvas and I'm using the Snatch under my eyes. I'm really loving this palette. Shout out to my boyfriend. I hope you guys don't hear those sounds, crazy sounds from outside. Yes, hunty. So here I'm using my Moon Child from Anastasia on my cheeks. I'm using Blue Moon. I love this palette. And no, I'm not afraid of using highlight with different colors in my eyes. I'm not afraid of that. Remember to always be yourself. I just love highlight. For under my eyebrow bone, I'm gonna be using blue ice. For my lips, I'm using the Garnier water to clean my lips from the excess of foundation and powder. By the way, I put my eyelashes off camera. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using my MAC lipstick, Velvet Teddy, that's the name. You can leave it like that with the only lipstick, but I'm gonna finish it off with another lipstick on top. So on top of that, I'm using the flower lipstick, Tickle Pink. I got that on a free box. So this is my final look. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!